YouTube, what's going on? It's your man Cedric Brayton back here with C Note Music Company again. And today we have Easy by Ella May in the key of F. Let's go over the scale. We talk numbers, we don't talk notes. F is the 1, G is the 2, 3 is the A, 4 is A sharp, C is the 5, D is the 6, E is the 7, F is the 1. All right, so let's play through it one time, and then we'll give you the chorus and the notes. I'll fix the strings and all right, so let's go over that. So the bulk of the song is 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's go over that. And so in our left hand we're playing 1, right hand we're playing 5 and 3. Then we're going to the 2, we're playing 6 and 4. Going to the 3, playing 5 and 3. Are we playing 5? Wait. Yeah, and then we're playing, I'm sorry about that. 5 and 3, and then we're playing 4, and we're playing 1, 4, 6. So we got the strings and play. So you'll do that like 4 times. I'll play it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so the next part says, I know love has been a stranger to you. So that's 6 in the left hand, and you'll play 1, 3, 6. I know love has been a stranger. All right, so that's 3 in the left hand. The right hand, you're playing 2, 5, 1. And then you're going to the 2 in the left hand. Right hand, you're playing 1, 4, 6. So let's try it. That's 6. I know love has been a stranger. That's 3 to you. 2. Maybe I'm the one. Da, 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 da. Play it again. 6. Da, 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 da. 3. Da, da, da. Now right here we change to a flat 6. Left hand. Right hand we're playing 1, flat 3, 5. And then we're playing 7 in the flat 7 in the left hand. We're playing 1, 2, 5. The writings on the wall. Back to that beginning that I told you was the bulk of the song. Love is easy. So don't you make it hard. Something like that. And my voice hasn't been the same since I had got my thyroid removed. So sorry about that. Vocals are not there. All right, so let's go to the other part. It says, all we got is here and now. So you're going to start on the 5, and then you're going to go to the 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 5, 1. All right, so let's do it again. 5, 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 5, and then 1. All right, so let's add the chords. So on the 5, your left hand, right hand, you're playing 4, 6, flat 7, 2. All we got is here and go go to the 1. In your right hand, you're literally just going to take your thumb and drop it down to the 3. The rest of the notes are the same. So 3, 6, flat 7, 2. So all we got is here and now. All right, we're going to the 3 in the left hand. Right hand, we're going to play 2, 5, 1. So all we got is here and now. Bow, and then to the 4. 4, we're playing 1, 3, 6. All right, so all we got is here and now. Da, 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 da. And then we're going back to that same 3. Well, we play 3, and then our right hand we play 2, 5, 1. And then we're going to the 2. Well, we're left hand, right hand, we're playing 1, 4, 6. And then on that second time around, we're going to play 6, 7, 1, 5, 3, 1. Okay. 6, 7, 1, 5, 3, 1. All right, so it sound like this. All we got is here and now. Da, 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 right here. All right, and right there we play the 5, and then our right hand we play 1, 4, 6, and then we're to the 1. And left hand, right hand, you can play 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. All right, that's the whole song. All right, so let's play through one more time. Go to the other part. All we got is here and now. Don't you make it home. All right, again, it's your man Seti B back here with C Note Music Company. Like, subscribe, comment, request. I know my singing wasn't that great. Lyrics probably was not correct. I apologize. Yeah, I'm doing what I can. Pray for me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy the rest of your day.